Hi there. Today, about the nature of the mind, how individual mind is universal mind. They are one and the same. The difference is that the individual mind is centered inside a human form and identifies itself with that human form. But universal mind does not have a center. It spreads everywhere and absorbs everything. The individual mind perceives itself as a human form, as a physical human form that it's attached to and limited by that physical human form. On the other hand, universal mind perceives itself as limitless, infinite, non-physical at all, a spirit, all-absorbing, spreading everywhere, eternal. But they are one and the same. There are no two minds. There is just one mind. And by practicing no thinking and getting away from surface thoughts, from surface fluctuations, we loosen more and more the identification with the physical body. Till one day, after we spend enough time inside the still part of the mind, that still mind takes over and separates itself completely from the surface fluctuations. What happens is, it does not attach anymore to the surface loops of the thoughts, repetitive thoughts, that loop around 24/7 all the time and bring about the identification with the human body. Still mind separates itself completely. It's no more centered inside the human body. There are no more likes and dislikes of a human body. No more emotional fluctuations. No more mental strains. No more human psychology. It all goes out of the window. All this human psychology goes out of the window. The life is just accepted as is, predetermined and accepted completely, but not attaching. There is no attachment whatsoever. Even if it attaches momentarily, it drops it straight away. You see, this mind transformation from individual mind to universal mind happens through practice. It will happen to you if you keep practicing. One day, this universal mind will dawn on you and will not be centered inside your body anymore. And you will drop completely all these human concerns and restraints of the physical existence. And then you're on a path, on a spiritual path, where you uncover more and more of everything, of all the knowing of the mind. Because everything is there. Everything is inside the mind. There is nothing outside the mind. All the knowing is there. And because the mind is self-aware, we partake in that knowing. And we get to know more and more as we spend more and more time on the path, inside the still part of the mind, inside the universal mind. You see, my case of spiritual journey and the path that's actually only just started, I'm uncovering more and more as I go along. It's just one of many mind transformations, and it's something that will happen to you if you just keep practicing. There is so much to gain. Enjoy your practice. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.